Exercise 10.1. First one is fill in the blanks. The center of a circle lies in dash of the circle interior. We know that center always lies interior. Interior means inside the circle. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. Like this is a circle and the point whose distance from the center is greater than the radius. This is the radius and the point is this one. It means this lie outside the circle na, exterior of the circle. So that's why its distance is more than radius. The longest chord of a circle is diameter. We know that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. An arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of the diameter. Like if this is a circle, they are saying an arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of the diameter. This is diameter and this is an arc. The arc between the diameter, these are not major and minor arcs. These are called semicircle. Semicircle. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and the dash of the circle. Segment we know that segment of a circle is a region. Region means area between an arc and the chord of the circle. A circle divides a plane on which it lies in three parts. In starting I told you it divides a plane into three parts: circle, interior and exterior. Now write true or false and give reasons for your answers. First one is line segment joining the center. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. Yes, we know that. This is true. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. No, this is false because we know that there are so many number of equal chords. Like this is a circle, equal chords. These are diameter is also the chord na, so there are so many diameters in a circle. We know that infinite numbers of diameters are there na, so it means this is a false. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc, this is also false because if we divide a circle, this is a circle, if we divide it into three equal arcs, like one, two, three. Three arcs are there na. This one and this one. There are three arcs in this, but when we divide it into in equal parts, it means these are not major arcs. These are all are equal. Major, minor then came when there are two parts. Smaller is called minor, bigger is called major, but there are equal parts, so this is false. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as its radius. It means twice as long as radius. This is diameter. Is the diameter of the circle. This is true. We know that longest chord twice as long as radius, that is diameter. Sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. No, sector is the region between the chord and its corresponding arc. False because that is a segment. Area between chord and corresponding arc is segment, not sector. Sector is the area between two radius and one arc. A circle is a plane figure. True. Circle is a plane figure.